The style action lets you override a web page's CSS with your own CSS. Now, this may not seem like a big deal on the surface, but it is actually very, very practical. Let me give you one demonstration. Let's say you're a Lego maniac. You have a lot of Lego kits. And in fact, too many that you can't keep track of them. So you don't want to buy the same set twice. So here's one thing that you can do. I'm going to go to Star Wars. So imagine you own, let's pick a very expensive set like this, because you have a lot of toys. This is a part that can get tricky if you're not familiar with HTML. Just hover your mouse over the different elements until you think it captures the element that you want to stylize, and find an attribute value that seems unique. And then we can test the CSS selector. I'm going to guess this one looks like a unique number. And we're going to test our selector. Go to the console tab, enter document, query selector, the selector. So we were able to select this element using this CSS selector. One thing that I recommend is to see whether this selector matches a unique element. How do you do that? You change query selector to query selector all, like this. It will return a list of every single element that is found using this CSS selector. So it found one element because we only see one element in the list. So this is a good sign. You can likely use this selector. So we're going to go ahead and create a CSS override action using style. And you can see an example of CSS here. We want to override this style for that one tile. Click on edit to open up an editor, which makes it a lot easier to type. And it's got auto indenting and nice things like that. I'm going to set the background to green. To let me know that I already own this set, so not to buy it again. See, so whenever you land on this page, this will be green. And you can tell, oh, I already own this set, so you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to go research it some more. And this should be green in search results too. So let me search for it, Java. Yep, it's also green here. So wherever you all are on the Lego set, you'll see that it's green and it'll let you know that you already own the set. So that's just one use of many, many uses. Is really up to your imagination how you want to override a web page's style. And that's it for now. Until next time.